The debt snowball method is one of the most popular and psychologically effective strategies for paying off debt. Unlike other repayment strategies that focus solely on interest rates, the debt snowball method emphasizes momentum and motivation, helping individuals gain confidence as they systematically eliminate debts. The approach is simple yet powerful, turning a seemingly overwhelming debt situation into a structured, manageable plan. Today, we will talk about debt snowball method step by step. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. List all your debts. The first step in the debt snowball method is to take a clear and honest inventory of all your debts. This includes credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, store financing, or any other outstanding balances. The key here is to focus on total balances, not interest rates. List each debt from the smallest balance to the largest balance. For example, credit card A, $450. Personal loan B, $1,200. Credit card C, $3,500. Car loan D, $7,800. This approach is designed to give you early wins, which are crucial for maintaining motivation. Paying off smaller debts first creates a sense of accomplishment that keeps you committed to the process. Step 2. Determine minimum payments. Once your debts are listed, write down the minimum monthly payment required for each one. The minimum payment ensures you stay current on your obligations, avoiding late fees and negative credit reporting. While the minimum payment is often the only amount people pay when overwhelmed by debt, the debt snowball method builds on this by adding extra payments to the debt at the top of your list, the smallest balance. Step 3. Budget for extra payments. The heart of the debt snowball method is allocating extra funds to the smallest debt. Review your monthly budget to find money you can free up. This could be from cutting unnecessary expenses, earning extra income, or reallocating money from less urgent areas. Every extra dollar goes to the smallest debt while continuing to pay minimums on the others. For example, if your budget allows $200 extra each month, minimum payments: $50 for credit card A, $100 for personal loan B, etc. Extra payment: $200 added to credit card A. This strategy accelerates the payoff of the smallest debt, creating that psychological boost and momentum. Step 4. Pay off the smallest debt first. With your list, minimum payments, and extra funds allocated, focus on eliminating the smallest debt completely. Depending on your budget and debt size, this could take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. During this phase, avoid the temptation to use freed up funds for other purposes. The goal is complete payoff so that you can roll that payment amount into the next debt. Step 5. Roll payments into the next debt. Once the smallest debt is paid off, take the money you were paying toward it and add it to the payment for the next smallest debt. For example, credit card A paid off, $250 per month previously going there. Add this $250 to the minimum payment of personal loan B, $100. New payment toward personal loan B, $350 per month. This is where the snowball effect begins. The payment grows larger and larger with each debt eliminated, allowing you to tackle bigger balances faster. Step 6. Repeat until all debts are cleared. Continue this process systematically. Pay off smallest debt. Roll that payment into the next debt. Watch the snowball grow. With each payoff, your confidence and financial control increase. Many people find that as momentum builds, paying off even the largest debts becomes achievable. Step 7. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress is vital. Use a spreadsheet, app, or notebook to log your balances and payments. Seeing the numbers drop each month reinforces the psychological boost of small victories and encourages consistent effort. Some people use visual tools, like charts or graphs, which provide a motivational snapshot of your debt elimination journey. Celebrating milestones, like paying off the first debt or reaching 50% of total debt reduction, can maintain engagement and momentum. Step 8. Avoid accumulating new debt. The Debt Snowball Method is designed to help you systematically eliminate your debts and build financial momentum. But this momentum can easily be undermined if you accumulate new debt during the process. Every dollar you owe in new loans, credit card charges, or other forms of debt reduces the amount you can put toward your existing debts, slowing down your progress and extending the time it takes to become debt-free. One of the most common pitfalls is continuing to use credit cards for everyday spending while paying down balances. Even small charges can add up over time, and the interest on these new charges can negate the gains you've made through the snowball method. To maintain focus, it is crucial to temporarily eliminate access to credit. This could mean cutting up cards, storing them in a secure location, or even freezing them in a block of ice to create a strong visual reminder to avoid using them. Additionally, taking out new loans or financing purchases during the debt payoff period should be strictly avoided. Personal loans, car loans, or buy now, pay later services might seem convenient, but they create new obligations that interrupt your debt snowball. Each new loan not only adds a monthly payment, but often comes with interest that diminishes the amount of money you can allocate toward existing debts. Step 9. Consider small behavioral adjustments. While the Debt Snowball Method is primarily about payments and prioritization, small behavioral changes can amplify results. Track daily or weekly expenses. Negotiate lower interest rates or balances. Avoid unnecessary subscriptions. Use cash for discretionary spending to limit overspending. These adjustments create a more sustainable repayment plan and reduce the likelihood of falling back into debt after the snowball method has done its work. Step 10. Celebrate debt freedom. Once all debts are paid off, take a moment to celebrate your financial achievement. The Debt Snowball Method doesn't just help you become debt-free. It also builds discipline, confidence, and financial literacy. At this point, consider redirecting funds toward savings, investments, or an emergency fund, ensuring your financial stability for the long term. Many who complete the snowball method report a profound psychological shift and a stronger relationship with money. Using the Debt Snowball Method is as much about momentum and motivation as it is about money. By starting small, building wins, and systematically applying freed-up funds, you can gain control over your finances and eliminate debt in a structured, effective way. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.